What's up everybody, this is Danny, and today I have something very special in this box, and this is the $3,449 Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 Thom Browne edition. If you've watched my channel before, then you know I'm a fan of the Thom Browne edition. I bought the Galaxy Z Fold 2 in it last year, and the packaging was absolutely incredible, so I'm sure it's going to be exactly the same this year, so I want to see if there's anything different about it. If you want to pre-order it now, I would, because it sold out last year, and instead of trading in your used car, make sure you trade in multiple devices if you have it. Samsung is allowing multiple phones for trade-in this year, which is great, and you're probably going to need that help if you want to pick this up. All right, so let's crack into it. You can see when you pull the box, you can see the signature colors right here on the corner. All right, so here we go. So just like last year, the attention to detail, absolutely incredible. You can see the striping on the inside of the box and really nice materials as well. All right, you ready for this? Okay. There's that same striping on the inside of the box here, and there is a note. An explanation of what the approach is. Thank you for spending a bunch of money. Galaxy Z Fold 3 Thom Browne edition. Woo! Okay, they have taken the packaging to the next level. Look at how clean all of this stuff is. Design, incredible. So you can see why this package is so much, because you get the S Pen Pro, the Z Fold 3, the Buds 2, Watch 4, and you get the wireless charger trio. So let's go ahead and dig into all of this. So think about this as the ultimate Galaxy Z Fold 3 package, and we haven't even gotten into here yet, but check this out. All of the accessories are right here. More watch straps, case here, which is really, really nice again, and that texture, let me show you, it's super nice, and they are cutting the grass right now, just as I expected. Okay, so let's jump into the Fold 3 first. And there is a little packet here. SIM removal tool. And let's see what's in here. Paperwork. And you also get the matching power cable here. And there is a sheet here, which is different. And let's pull this out. Ooh, and it's white this year. Man, that looks really, really good. We'll take a look at that in just a second. And what is this? Can this be? It's an actual power brick. You only have to pay $3,000+ to get a power brick, right? Totally worth it. Here we go, moment of silence. So here's the comparison of the Thom Browne editions. This is the Galaxy Z Fold 2, and you can see that this has a darker gray theme, which I think that some people might like better, but I'm actually favoring the white version here, and they both have this frosted, like matte look going on, but this one feels a little bit smoother for some reason, so it might be a little bit different in the process, but both feel extremely premium. Now, I did a full comparison between the Galaxy Z Fold 2 and the Galaxy Z Fold 3, even with camera comparisons, so I'm going to leave that link down below, but you do get some significant changes here. Of course, Snapdragon 865 Plus here, Snapdragon 888 here, and you also get 512 gigabytes of storage here, and you have 256 gigabytes on this one. But there are some design differences here too. If you look, this is a matte aluminum versus a shinier polished aluminum, which I think that some people might like better. And I think that in some of my comments on these prior videos, people were saying that they did not like how they moved to this, and they thought that this looked more premium. So let me know, what do you think? Do you like this or do you like that? So this is probably the comparison that most people want to see, the regular Z Fold 3 versus the Thom Browne. And you do have a lot of color choices here with the Z Fold 3 as well. But besides the color and the differences and the finish on the outside, the internals exactly the same. The screen is exactly the same, but this one comes standard with 512 gigabytes of storage. If you've never seen the Thom Browne edition before, it is running the same software basically, but you do have some different UI elements here. You do have some different icons that look different here. You get a different boot up logo, and there are some small nice touches with the Thom Browne edition, but there really is no difference when it comes to performance or anything like that. You just get some different UI elements. So next up is the S Pen Pro, and you can see that it comes in a really nice white color, which I like because normally the pens are black. So this is the Fold Edition S Pen, and you can see that the big difference between these two, size, and this one doesn't need to be charged. This does not have Bluetooth, where this one actually does, and you can use this on multiple Samsung devices. So if you're going to use it on your Z Fold, you can flip it there, or if you're using your S Pen on your tablet or other Samsung devices, you just flip it right here and you can make that work. And you can see that I hit this and it's trying to pair right now. But I do like the size of this pen, and it looks really, really good in white. Okay, next up, let's do Buds 2. And there's something here too as well. Hold on. Here we go. Same situation here, I think. We get tips for the earbuds and matching power cable again. And this has a nice eggshell finish to it. Feels really good. And whoo, look at that. I gotta give you a closer look. I love that finish. You can see that the case has the color accents on it as well. And it's right on the earbuds too. Can you guys see that? Just in case you wanted to see them side by side, here are the standard Buds 2, Thom Browne. So glossy finish on here, eggshell matte finish on here. They look great. All right, next up is Watch 4. And I've actually never seen the Watch 4 before because I don't even have the standard one quite yet. Let's get this out. Can I get it out of there? Crumple paperwork. That was a voice crack. Paperwork? Nothing? What do we have? Finally. There we go. And all of that for a cable. Okay, no, this was worth it. Look at that wireless charger. Man, this looks so cool. Okay, so I may be more excited about the watch than anything else because I feel like the color combo really works on this watch strap here. It looks nice. And right here you can see that there's a hit of red right here on the button, which is really nice. Let's pull this out. Take a look at this. Wow. Yeah, this is definitely the watch to get. This looks great. And of course you saw earlier that it does come with different watch straps as well, but the little details in this, really, really nice. Tell me what you think. Okay, this is the interesting one because the wireless charger trio, I don't know how they can cut. Okay, yeah. I didn't know how they can customize that to make it look any better, but damn, this is sweet. And I'm assuming this is the same power brick as usual. I think they outdid themselves with the accents and everything. Just, this is a different and very special unboxing experience, which I think you guys can agree with. So if you guys are into this kind of stuff, and if you're a fan of Thom Browne, this is just absolutely insane. So if you've never seen the wireless trio before, of course it's not plugged in. This is just for simulation. You will be able to charge your watch, and you should be able to charge 2 phones at the same time. There is just so much cool stuff here, and this is probably the best unboxing experience that I've ever come across. It's so well thought out. Everything is so well executed. I absolutely love it. So do you think that this version is worth it because of this premium unboxing experience as a whole? And which Thom Browne version? Is it the pen? Is it the phone? Is it the watch or the buds? What do you think is the best out of the lot? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm not disappointed in this at all. The only thing is that it used to come with a cover case, so it would have been nice to have that S Pen case in here, but I guess since it doesn't come with the Fold S Pen, it comes with the S Pen Pro. I can see why, but that was a little bit of an omission here with no flip case. But the only thing I'm disappointed in is I have to send this back. It's not mine. So Samsung, you may not be getting this back. So I hope you enjoyed that early unboxing of the Thom Browne Fold 3. It should be out in a couple of weeks, but if you want to pre-order, I'll leave a link down below. If you want to see more information or more videos on the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Galaxy Z Flip 3, make sure you check out the channel because I've done some extensive stuff on there already and also done a camera comparison, so you need to check those out. Subscribe for a lot more videos like this. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.